Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Replacing an old Honeywell thermostat with a new model involves several key steps. First, turn off the power to your thermostat at the circuit breaker to ensure safety. Then, carefully remove the old thermostat from its mount and note the wiring connections. Take pictures or label the wires for easy reference. Install the new thermostat's mounting plate, ensuring wires pass through the opening. Connect the wires to the corresponding terminals on the new thermostat based on your previous documentation. Finally, attach the new thermostat to the mount, restore power, and follow the manufacturer's instructions for setup.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.